Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and fix your internet issues, your Wi-Fi issues you're having with your Samsung Smart TV. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So the easiest fix that I have right away is clearing the cache on your TV by simply unplugging it from the wall or from the back. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So when I go ahead and unplug this, I'm going to leave it unplugged for like 60 seconds and then replug it back in. Now if you are having problems with your AnyNet, when you go ahead and try to use a different device with your remote controller, what I found is leaving my TV unplugged overnight will reset that. Now, I had problems where I was trying to use my Google Chromecast with my remote and I couldn't use that feature. And then all of a sudden I had a storm come through and it knocked out the power to my house for about 2 or 3 hours. And when my TV started up again, AnyNet worked. So go ahead and try this out and see if it fixes your network issues on your television. Now the next thing we can go ahead and try is entering in our DNS server manually by pressing menu on the remote and popping open this right here, this menu option, and then go down to network and then going over to network settings. Now we're going to connect to our network again. Go ahead and use the one that you've been using, then go over to next, except this time we're going to enter it in our DNS server manually. So now go up to IP settings right here, select that. Now go down to DNS server, select this, and then go ahead and put in 8888. Once you have everything plugged in, go ahead and select OK, and see if this helps you actually connect to the internet and fix your Wi-Fi issues now. So press OK, and it's going to go ahead and search for the router and the internet, press OK. So hopefully one of those two fixes actually helped your Wi-Fi issues on your TV. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.